Location technologies have become increasingly important as companies strive to improve efficiency and optimize processes. Let's take a look at some ways that Link Labs is bringing location technologies into the future for its customers. At Link Labs, we're always looking for new ways to provide value to your manufacturing or logistics operations. Finding affordable ways to produce technology means being able to make technology affordable for customers. This includes Link Labs' newest technology, Ultra, has the accuracy of UWB and the affordability of XLE. Its features include Want to learn more? Visit our website at linklabs.com and be sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms for more information.